Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to
Patch-a-too, welcome back.
Yes, so today we got the MM710, I guess, reworked.
Yeah, everyone was
MM710.
We really weren't sure about this because
Yes.
everyone in the comments has been telling us, oh, you got the old batch, whatever, you know, there's a new batch and it's so much better.
I did get the pre-order of this one, you know?
I couldn't find anything to confirm or deny that there was actually a second batch or a newer batch with fixed build quality and everything like that. Except I know there is can't confirm or deny. Yeah, but I know there is an MM711, which will be out shortly, and we'll be reviewing that when it comes out.
Yeah.
So, as for now, I picked this guy up at Best Buy when it released at Best Buy. So it's in local stores now, which is interesting because you don't see a lot of light mice out there. They only go like big brands like Logitech, Razer, you know?
Yeah, and obviously this has a different finish. So if you guys want to get either of these mice, we'll leave a link in the description box. But let's get started off with the shape. Exact same shape. It looks like there's no difference. Nope.
Yep.
So
and same shape?
Yeah, it's a great.
And it's a good shape.
It's a good shape if you don't palm grip. And if you have a smaller to medium size hand. If you have a large size hand, you will probably not like it, but like if you like a smaller mouse and you fingertip grip, then that should be fine. But this mouse is primarily for fingertipping because if you try to palm it, there's just so much space right here where my knuckles are.
Yeah, the arch is so far towards the back.
Exactly. So like there's a really sharp drop off. You guys already know. If you guys want to check out the review, we'll go into more detail on that. But exact same shape. As far as the sensors go, 3389 sensor?
Yep, 3389s in both of them.
Yes.
And then, I mean, the skates, are
pretty much
they're very thin though,
very thin,
and they're not rounded on the edge, which bugged me. Also, when you get this guy, there's plastic on the skates.
Yes.
On each individual skate, it's not like a full cutout where you just peel it off the whole bottom. On each individual skate, there was plastic, and I didn't notice. And I peeled it off so late.
Take it off, yeah.
But yeah, you won't even notice that out of the box. It's weird.
That is weird.
But that being said, the skates are really good, of course, as well as the cord.
As well as the same exact cord, very good cord. Look at this. It doesn't move. Look at that. You know, so very good cord unless it like snags on something, especially like this on the edge of the desk. Like that's kind of annoying. I don't like doing that. So usually I have a mouse bungee and I just put it toward the edge, so it kind of like just stays on the desk, so it doesn't snag on the edge of my desk. But other than that, great cord for both of the mice. So let's talk about the buttons and the build quality. So obviously the finish is very different. The plastic on the, I guess, matte finish.
Yeah, the matte version.
Is, I like the finish. You know, it reminds me of like Logitech mice. You know, has a nice smooth finish. It really doesn't leave any fingerprint marks or oil residue or dirt or anything.
Which is impressive.
Which is very impressive.
For a black and matte finish.
Yes. So I really like this. The glossy finish, there's a lot of fingerprint marks. There's a lot of oil residue, which I don't like. You know, but it is a black mouse, so it hides it a little bit better than other, I guess, colors, I would say. Yeah, the glossy finish is a little bit grippier though, you know?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. I love the feel of the glossy, and that's actually the only thing that was at Best Buy. I even checked the website, they only sell the glossy version.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Very strange, no selection there. But, I mean, it feels really nice. It's just the fingerprints, you're gonna have to deal with that, for sure. Now, I mean, this was one of the big sectors is the buttons and the build quality, because as we said in our original review, this was one of our major qualms with this mouse, which kept it from being at the top of a lot of our top lists.
Yes.
So, I mean, let's get into that. So the feeling of it.
If you look at the original, the matte finish, it's so much easier to click the side buttons through the sidewall, you know?
Yep.
You can still do it with the glossy version, but I have to press a lot harder.
Yeah.
You know, so it feels like I don't know what they did. It feels a little bit more reinforced and a little bit sturdier in that way. Also, with the mouse 1 and 2 click, I mean, okay, so they're both still wobbly. Yeah. You know, they both still have a little bit of wobble, but when you're playing, you don't really notice it as much. But I notice it so much more with my matte version.
Absolutely,
because it's just like squeaky. You know, there's like this little creaky noise. It's not a noise, but it just feels like you feel that.
Yeah.
Like I don't know how to explain that.
And you can actually, I can feel the wobble without even like.
Real? Okay,
yeah, it feels creaky too.
Yeah, it feels creaky. You know,
post travel has got this like.
Yeah. So you can't feel any of that in the glossy version.
Yeah, the glossy, the buttons feel really good. You can still move them around. I mean, if you go like that, but I mean, you're never gonna be doing that when you're playing games. So.
Yes. Like for me in my matte version, if I'm more towards the inside of the button, I can definitely feel the mouse wobble. You know what I'm saying? But for the glossy version, I really can't feel it. I feel like they fixed it, I guess, in this version.
Yeah.
The side buttons, really no problems with the side buttons besides, I guess, pressing on the sidewall. Yeah, I mean, they definitely improved with the glossy
for sure. And the weight of this was really one of the impressive features of this. 53 grams is what they advertise.
53 grams.
And all the dimensions and stuff like that we have in our individual review, so go check that one out.
Yeah, so exactly, 54 grams, and then glossy is the same, right?
Glossy is the same, yeah.
Yeah, it's the same. So, all right, so wrapping things up, for 50 bucks, it's an incredible mouse, and if you can, just go with the glossy finish. Coolermaster didn't say anything about like different batch or like they improved the quality or the build quality or whatever. I'm sure they've seen the videos, you know, like a lot of the reviewers were saying that it wasn't very good. So maybe because of that, they did fix it in the glossy version. But anyways, we would recommend the glossy version. It definitely feels a lot better.
Plus, you can pick it up at, I mean, your local Best Buy, which is really weird for like one of the sort of like more niche gaming mice.
Yes.
Like if you can get a glorious mouse in a Best Buy or like a Fry's, like can you imagine?
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
Yeah. So anyways, just a little update video for you guys. Just wanted to help you guys out. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next one.
See you in the next one.